who explains entertainment best rather than her, right? Alia Bhatt. Alia, when you explain entertainment and when you bring it to people, you obviously kind of are the best in it. Wouldn't you agree?
No, the best I wouldn't say.
One of the best. Okay.
One of the excited ones. I will say. I'm an excited entertainer. I'm a very pushy entertainer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You take your job as a curator really seriously because the programming is amazing.
That I'm really glad that you said that. No, definitely job as a curator for me is basically I represent the youth. So for me, it's my opinion, my perspective. What is working, what is not working. Nahi, ye nahi kaam kar raha, wo nahi kaam kar raha. I have to be the one who's giving my perspective.
Yeah.
Also asking my friends, you know, looking around, asking them to ask other people, what is working right now? What are we missing in television?
Were you skeptical when you were putting forward that will the integrity of the show be same as it's online and on television? Again.
See, as I completely agree that there is a certain censorship, but I also feel like to each his own now. I feel very, very strongly about how everybody makes their own choices. As he said, self-regulation when it comes to watching whatever TV show that you want to. And of course, there is a certain, now we have a certain culture which we have to abide by. And very rightfully so abide by because it has been so all this while. But I don't feel like you can really tamper with the content of the show to such an extent. Otherwise, one would not have the show.
Yeah.
You know, so if it's going to be so widely different, then we would be like, okay, fine, I'm sorry. And we've had these discussions, you know. We've had what can we do, what can we not do.
Yeah.
So I feel like for me, as the youth, as a representative, as a curator, all the shows that we have are very well intact with their content and the integrity is very well managed.
Superhero flick, yeah?
Yeah.
And you'll be a part of one soon.
Hopefully, yes.
Isn't it? But I think also the best part is you get to be opposite Ranbir. Kind of, is this life goal achieved? Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Life goals.
Yeah, life goals, work in progress.
To end it, you know, whenever there's a movie of Varun and Siddharth or yours, it immediately starts trending, and the kind of you know, hysteria you guys have created is amazing. I'm sure often people have told you about that in a new trailer. I'm sure when Shandar will come, start training, people it's trending already. You know, he's smiling, this wicked smile.
I'm listening.
You know, it must be great to feel that you've achieved what people have taken so many years to achieve in such a short span, and you have the kind of audience that follows you.
I honestly don't feel like I've achieved too much, and I still feel I've just started off. People keep saying that, but I keep saying no, I really haven't achieved. So let's see how it goes, but definitely the love and the warmth is always accepted, and all I want is to constantly work as hard as I can to entertain people.
Thank you so much, and of course I will be promoting Shandar, Shahid married.
Shahid's already married.
Yeah.
Shahid.
Shahid, married man, promoting. Anyways, thank you so much. That was great, and hopefully all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Alia Bhatt for you in her best as usual. Rudran Chatraj with camera person Amol, Zoom Mumbai.